Just a few seconds for the eggs to be stirred completely. The frother is rechargeable. It comes with a charging cable, so you don't have to waste money on batteries at all. You don't have to plug it in when using it. It's stored in a nice case to keep them organized and safe. I really like it. I actually use the low mode. If you want the eggs to be more fluffy, you can use the medium mode or high mode. This beats eggs so fast.